a small video for ACOM is ready. Forward power 7 watt. Yeah, let's see. 7 watts, 230 output. Increase the power to 20 watts. Operate 650. Good. Let's go to 50 watts. 40 to 1.5, 1.4, 1.4 kilowatt. Too much. Make it 40 watts, 20. One kilowatt here with 40 watts input. Let's see if it is. Yes, very fast tuning, and reflected power, output power, SWR, drive gain 14 dB, 650 milliampere, 3140 volts. Without load is 3660. It's about 500 volts less, and plate RFP screen current like 10 milliampere. Input and temperature 68 degrees. Ready. Okay. Small video, and we'll follow another one with more details. At the moment you can key down 1 kilowatt, no feeling. Let's see, temperature 78 degrees, 1 kilowatt, key down. A little increase, 80 degrees. 1 kilowatt, key down, 1 kilowatt. Okay, now without output, will cool down, of course. That's for the moment. It's the first test after the installation of the amplifier. Thank you for watching. Sierra Victor 1 Oscar Zulu, Delta Kilo 1 Oscar Zulu.